In this video, I'm going to show you some tricks about MIT App Inventor. So what you need to do here, open any MIT App Inventor project and go to the blocks. Okay. You can see we can drag and drop the blocks and everything. But if you want to download all the blocks images, so how you can do this? So you can download it by one like this. Okay, just right click on the block and you can download the image. As you can see here, there is an option of download block as PNG like this. Okay. Now, if you want to download the whole code image, so how we can do this? Right click on anywhere on the blank side here like this, and you can see you have a lot of option. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, download block as image. So click on this and you can see we have one big image of all blocks like this. We have all the blocks like here. Amazing. Now there's one more way. Now if you have done your code, like you have done a lot of code, okay, so I suppose we have a lot of code like this. Now I want to arrange all these code in a horizontal format. So how can I do this? So simply right click on this and you will see here the option of arrange block horizontally. Just click on it. All the blocks is arranged. Now if you want to arrange it in a vertically, so right click on this again and you can see the arrange block vertically like this. This is really amazing, right? Now let's click on the right again and you will see here the copy all blocks to the backpack. So if you want to save all these blocks, okay, for the future project, so you can save all these blocks. Like let me just show you. Right click on this and I'm gonna just delete these blocks, unnecessary blocks. Delete it. Okay, so I have 3 blocks here. Let me just arrange it horizontally like this. Okay, now if you want to save all these blocks in the backpack, so right click on this and click on the all blocks to the backpack. Just click on it. It's done. Let's click on the backpack and you will see all the code is here. Now again right click on this and you will see a lot more options. Is like you can see show all comments, hide all comments, copy all blocks to backpack, paste all blocks from backpack. You have the 7 blocks in backpack. So if you want to just click on this, you can see all the blocks is here. Okay, just remove it like this. Okay, now again right click on this. Okay, and you can see the enable workspace grid. So just click on it. You can see now you can enable this, like amazing. Now you can just hide this, like you can see the option of disable workspace grid like this. Now again right click. There are a lot of features. I really love it. Okay, you can see short block by category. So if you have the 20 or 30 blocks in your code, so you can short blocks by category. You can do this also. Okay, like this. Now you can do more thing like see, you can delete all blocks. We all know that. Okay, but you can collapse all blocks like this. All the blocks is collapsed. These are really amazing and fun activity with MIT App Inventor that can improve your work speed in MIT App Inventor block code. So if you have any other doubt or if you want to know more features about MIT App Inventor, so just comment on the video. I'll definitely help you. And in the next video, we will learn more about the MIT App Inventor. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.